book is $14 and change, 5 pay and free shipping. I hope you'll pick it up tonight and read the reviews. And if you haven't yet left a review, I'd love to read your thoughts. Let me know what you think of the book. I'm really excited that we've got it on such a great deal tonight. Right now, though, we're going to jump in with something that's very exciting from Temp-tations. Our only Temp-tations item of the show. This one is a TibBit set. This is all about having just the right container for whatever you want to put inside.
Absolutely right. Hello.
Mwah. Tara Tesher is back with us.
Hello, everyone.
Always good to see you.
Great to be here.
This
Super
is exciting.
Yes.
So what you're talking about is a really unique set. Walk us through it.
Sure. So we're going to start with 4 of our 16-ounce square bakers. So I love these for, again, hot, for cold. You know, it's all our great stoneware. So what I love about that, again, is the fact that you can put hot and cold in here. They're basically seasonless, so they'll take you through every season, every summer, winter, spring, and fall. And the best part, David, is it comes with a deep dish lidded. So this piece alone is spectacular. Then you can customize. You can put all 4 of these together. You can put 2 of these together. Again, we hear from you all the time that it's the versatility that you're looking for. So you can bring to the table 4 hot desserts, 4 cold desserts, 4, you know, of our little dressing. Yes, firework.
4th of July
Yes,
barbecue.
tell me.
Ready? Chili.
Love.
Onions.
Okay.
Relish.
Yes.
Cheese sauce.
And ready? The hot dogs and buns.
And the buns.
On the platter.
And if you're going to make it all ahead of time,
Yes.
pop the lids on when you're taking it over to the barbecue.
Love it.
Love it.
I'm telling you, this is the perfect set for this time of year.
I have 3 dozen left in Baby Yura. Firework. Yeah. Oh,
we're going to sing now?
Katy Perry was here a couple weeks ago.
Oh, boy. Okay.
So exciting.
I know.
I love her.
I know you do.
All right, so this is fantastic. Don't miss out on this. We're so excited that we've got Firework for you. We also have Firework Fetty. Oh, Firework just sold out.
Oh boy.
Firework is gone. Guys, can we hand this off?
Okay.
There we go. Thank you, Alana.
That's how that goes. Season.
All
so
right,
we only
so
carry
let's
them
jump
this time.
right into
Firework.
I have fewer than 100 of Firework Fetty.
Firework Fetty.
Fewer than 100. Okay.
Wow. All right.
Then we've got Ocean Fetty. 120. And you know what, guys? Might be better to shoot this from the side. There we go. Perfect. So this one is Firework Fetty, and look at Summer. Ocean Fetty and Summer. 100 left in Summer. Now, this is the only order of the year.
That is correct.
If we sell out of any more, you're not going to see it again until this time next year. Easy for me to say. All right, here is your eggplant in Floral Lace, eggplant in Old World. Here it is in light blue Floral Lace, confetti. Say it with me, chocolate. And then the brown in Old World. Here is your spice in Floral Lace, spice in Old World. Your black in the Floral Lace and black in Old World. Jump up top, I've got green in Floral Lace, and then you may choose green in Old World. Most popular is blue Floral Lace. Color. Here's blue in Old World. Here's red Floral Lace, or is that cranberry?
That's the cranberry.
That's cranberry, beg your pardon. And here's cranberry Old World. Here's red in the Floral Lace, and then red in the Old World. 300 of these are now gone. We are more limited in Old World across the board. Look at this.
How fun is that?
4th of July, summer barbecues, summer holidays. Here's your red and your blue together. Buying a set in each color makes a lot of sense.
I agree with you. And I love the fact that they're square bakers. They're 16 ounces. So what I love about that the most is that they're personal sizes. So I'm going to show you something that's not a personal size. I'm going to show you something that's a David size.
Hey, Tara, while you do that, I'm going to tell you that in the Firework Fetty, we have 3 dozen left. Summer, we have 6 dozen left, and we've now taken orders for over 500. I've got your oven door.
Oh, and I have some tater tot nachos for you.
Oh, some might call those tachos.
Oh, tachos. Is that what they're called?
Tachos.
Tacho with bacon.
Yeah.
Look what we were able to do. So again, you have that deep dish. Now it's your tray, it's your serving platter. You can cut on here, or you can cook right on here. So think about your serving platters. Are you able to put them in the oven up to 500 degrees? Probably not. Can you put them and bake a brownie in it? Probably not. We'll show you so many different things that you've come to love from our stoneware. That's just amazing.
Firework just sold out.
Wow.
The firework is gone. Thank you, my dear.
And Marina's going to go get us another set so we can show you all 5
I tell you what, we keep selling out. This was like on Friday when Lisa was here.
Yes.
We had the set of 3 bowls, and every time I turned around, someone stopped me the other day on my day off, and they said, those bowls were flying out the other night. I was saying, yes, they were.
That was a great deal.
That was wild. What was our story here, Sean? 600 gone. Let me go through colors. I'm going to update you as we go. Now, here is Ocean Fetty, 6 dozen. Here's Summer. 3 dozen left in Summer. Here is your Floral Lace and Eggplant. 300. Here's Eggplant in Old World. 130. Here's Light Blue and Floral Lace. Here's Confetti. 200 left in the Confetti. This is Chocolate. And the brown, 130 in the brown. Here's spice in the floral lace, old world, 120. Here's black in the floral lace, black in the old world, 120 in the old world. We're limited in old world across the board. Here's green in floral lace, green in old world, 250 left in that green. Here's blue in the floral lace, 200, and in the old world, 150. Cranberry in the floral lace, and cranberry in old world available. Here's red in the floral lace, and red in the old world, 230 left to go around.
Wow.
We've now taken over 800 orders. This is the only order of the year. A comparable retail on this, Tara, would be $52.
Yes.
We are $12.14 less. If you want 5 easy payments, use your Q card. If you want any other easy pay, use any other credit card. Well, if you want to pay, use any other credit card is what I'm trying to say.
Is this?
Which one do we sell out of? Summer.
Love our
Summer
seasonal.
is now gone. Thank you, Sam. All right, so they're going very quickly. This is our only order of 2019. Tara's going to show you again what you're getting.
Yes.
What we have here is a color representation. This is what you're getting when you order it.
I love the compact ability of this, if that's even a word. But I love the fact, again, that there are 16 ounces. So these are great personal sizes. You could do individual brownies, maybe a blondie, peanut butter. Think about all the different desserts you could make. Think about those crispy desserts that you can make, all different kinds. Customize this. And, of course, you have that deep dish lid on the bottom, which is the perfect, one of the largest square trays that we offer that you also can bake in as well. So when you nest everything down inside, you could have 2 hot dips. You could have 2 cold dips. You could have 4 hot dips that you cook directly from, of course, that deep dish lid and bring it right to the table. And David, take a look over here because I want to show you. I'm going to go to the fridge because these are awesome this time of year because you can keep them cold. So we did some of our coleslaw, as you were saying. You know, you were talking about your barbecue, your baked beans.
That's the 4th thing I was thinking of for hot dogs.
Coleslaw. Look at what we did here.
You like slaw dogs?
Are you kidding? I love slaw anything.
I love slaw
That is like
dogs.
my favorite. So we did hot dogs and hamburgers right here on the grill that we were able to serve on our tray, and we did mac and cheese. We did some fried onions. We did some coleslaw. We did some baked beans. Can we just
Sprinkles.
talk about this?
Sprinkles.
Put it on your ice cream.
Okay.
We
what-
baked a little brownie.
Is this whipped topping?
Of course.
Well, here, let's
Nothing
put
but
some.
the best. I'm going to put some brownie bites in here.
All right, and then
let's
I'm
build
going
this.
to, and then I'm going to put some of this on it,
Okay, and then I'm going to put some of this on it.
and then I'm going to do some.
And
of
then
this.
I'm going to eat some of this. Right. Ready?
This is Tara's one and only item of the entire show.
Today.
Be on the line for it, my darling.
Yes, dear.
Great job.
Thank you.
2 easy payments, any credit card you use. If you put it on your Q card, it's 5 pay. All right, darling, let's stand here by the nachos.
The tachos.
The tachos.
Okay.
Mwah. Adore you.
Adore you more.
Stay on the line here because Stacy's got some updates. I'm headed over to the other kitchen.
I
There's a little
do.
bacon.
First of all, I want to let you know what I'm wearing.